Gully Community Club retained their Manchester Football Association Major League title after beating Villa United 1-0 in the final game of the 2026 season at the Gully Community Centre over the weekend. Gully High School Da Costa Cup striker Alwyn Robinson secured victory for his team from this goalmouth scramble in the 77th minute. Gully entered the contest on 19 points, 3 more than Villa United, and needed only a draw to be crowned champions. Coach Shawnee Mullings said although he was happy to retain the title, that was not the objective of the team at the start of the competition.
To be honest, the objective wasn't to actually win the league starting out, but as the games progressed, we saw that it was an opportunity for us to actually go all the way this year. So we made the most of it, despite us losing a game, but kudos to the youngsters, they really played a good season. Now the effort for us now is to try and reach the Tier 2 playoff.
Meanwhile, Robinson was elated to have played a major part in helping his team retain the title.
It's not just me alone, it affects too, but also the team. It was a good game, it was a good match, it was a hard match, and we're glad we win that match.
9 teams participated in this season's competition. After a 2-week break to facilitate the conclusion of the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League, the battle for spots in the final of the Serge St. Thomas Major League kicks off in earnest with the first leg semi-finals on Wednesday. In the opening game at the Express Sports Complex, defending champions White Horses FC will go up against Seaforth at 5:30. York United will then oppose Prospect FC in the second game on the day.